was the toughest part of Arizona because of that entrance speed of the water. You left the UFC because of a disagreement with Dana White. Was the truth easy? You didn't want to. And then you fought Joshua. Honestly, on that fight, there was a lot of unfairness. There have been a lot of tricks. Do you think they were doing that intentionally? Yeah, it was. So, April 3rd, you're 25, 26 years old. 2012, which doesn't feel like it was that long ago. 2012 is when I left. 2012. Yeah, that's when I left. That's when I left my secondary school. Prayer. Okay. Yeah, but we get there late because of those detour. But I'm the captain. I'm the one that everybody's expecting on me, and he was.
Created by many as the most dangerous puncher in the heavyweight division of former UFC MMA heavyweight world champion, the Predator Wrestling.
This was not expected to be the way it is, but I think a lot of people thought that maybe Joshua is going to be put on the canvas by Francis Ngannou, but yes, for the majority were voting for Francis Ngannou regarding on the fight that they had with Tyson Fury, but this was a big shock. Actually,